Living by the ocean sounds like a dream, but designing a house on the coast is not as simple as it seems. Intense sun, high humidity, salty air, and tropical rain can damage materials in just a few years if they are not chosen carefully. In this video, we're going to show you the best materials for homes in tropical coastal climates, the ones that actually perform well near the ocean, and some common mistakes you should avoid when building by the sea. We are an architecture studio specialized in designing beach houses, and after working on multiple coastal projects, we've learned that choosing the right materials makes all the difference. So, if you're planning to build near the ocean, this video could save you a lot of trouble in the future. Before talking about materials, it's important to understand what really happens in coastal environments. In tropical climates, there are four main factors that affect buildings. Intense solar radiation, which deteriorates paint, finishes, and exterior coatings. Constant humidity, that can cause mold, warping, and deterioration in many materials. Salty air, which significantly accelerates metal corrosion. Heavy tropical rains, that require well-designed construction systems for drainage and protection. That's why choosing materials for a beach house is not just an aesthetic decision, it's a technical and a strategic one. Concrete. One of the most reliable materials for beach houses is concrete. When properly designed and built, concrete offers high durability, a strong resistance to humidity, low maintenance, and excellent thermal mass, which helps stabilize indoor temperatures. However, when building near the ocean, it's important to use high-quality concrete, proper reinforcement coverage, and durability-enhancing additives. When done correctly, concrete structures can last for decades in coastal environments. Wood. Wood is one of the most beautiful materials for tropical architecture. But not every type of wood performs well near the ocean. Ideally, you should use dense tropical hardwood or wood that has been properly treated for exterior use. Wood is commonly used in beach houses for decks and terraces, pergolas, shading screens, and architectural details. One important thing to remember is that wood requires periodic maintenance to preserve its durability. When used correctly, wood brings warmth and a strong connection to the natural environment. Natural stone. Another excellent material for tropical climates is natural stone. Stone has several advantages: exceptional durability, high resistance to moisture, low maintenance, and a natural integration with the landscape. It works particularly well for exterior walls, retaining walls, facade elements, and landscaping features. When combined with concrete and wood, it creates an architectural language that feels balanced, timeless, and grounded in its environment. Appropriate metals. Metals can also be used in beach houses, but this is where many constructions make serious mistakes. Salty air can corrode metals very quickly. That's why it's best to use materials like stainless steel, aluminum, or metals with proper anti-corrosion treatments. It's also essential to design correct construction details to avoid water accumulation and unnecessary exposure. When specified properly, metals can add lightness, elegance, and modernity to the design. But there is something even more important than the materials themselves: the way the house is designed. In tropical architecture, design should prioritize natural ventilation, deep shaded areas, large roof overhangs, and smooth transitions between indoor and outdoor spaces. When the design responds correctly to the climate, materials perform better and last much longer. Tropical architecture is not just about aesthetics, it's about adapting intelligently to the environment. Designing a beach house is about finding the balance between beauty, durability, and climate adaptation. And when the right materials are combined with thoughtful design, the result can be a home that performs beautifully for decades. If you want to learn more about architecture, beach house design, and construction, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications.